Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power of x minus 2. This is equal to 48. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's provide a solution from here. Now, the first thing to note here, this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power of n minus m. And this can be expressed as a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m. Applying this property, then we have 8 to the power of x divided by 8 to the power of 2. This is equal to 48. Now, since 48 is our number, so this is over 1. So the first thing here is to cross multiply so that we have 8 to the power of x times 1. This is equal to 8 to the power of 2, then times 48. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log a to the power of x. This is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 48. Now, log 8 to the power of x, this is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 8 to the power of x becomes x log 8. This is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 48. The next step is to divide both sides by log 8. Here, log 8. So now we simplify log 8 and log 8 here, so that now x is equal to log, this is 8 to the power of 2 multiplied by 48. Everything here divided by log 8. Now we have that x is equal to log 8 to the power of 2 times 48. This is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to, this is log 8 to the power of 2 divided by log 8, then plus log 48 divided by log 8. So we have that log 8 to the power of 2. This is in the form of log a to the power of n, which we can express as n log a. Now applying this property, then we have that x is equal to 2 log 8 divided by log 8, then plus, here we have log 48 divided by log 8. So let's simplify log 8 and log 8 here, so that now we have that x is equal to 2 plus log 48 divided by log 8. Now we can express 48. This is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 6. So that now we have x equal to 2 plus, now here we have log 8 multiplied by 6. Everything here divided by log 8. We have that log 8 times 6. This is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Therefore, here we have x equal to 2 plus, now we have log 8 divided by log 8, then plus log 6 divided by log 8. Now let's simplify here. We can simplify log 8 and log 8. This is 1. So that now we have x is equal to, this is 2 plus, this is 1. So we have 1 here. Then plus log 6. Log 6 is the same thing as log 2 multiplied by 3. Then divided by log 8. We can express log 8 as log 2 to the power of 3. So that now we have x equal to 3 plus, now log 2 times 3. Again, this is in the form of log a times b, which is log a plus log b. So that now here we have log 2 divided by log 2 to the power of 3, then plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power of 3. Now from here, applying the power rule property here, then we can express x as this is 3 plus this is log 2 divided by log 2 to the power of 3 becomes 3 log 2, then plus here we have log 3 divided by here we have 3 log 2. Now let's simplify log 2 and log 2 here, so that now we have x is equal to 3 plus 1 over 3, then plus 1 over 3. This is log 3 divided by log 2. Now we have that x here is equal to, now 3 plus 1 over 3, this is 10 over 3, then plus 1 over 3. Now log 3 over log 2, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. We can express this as log a to base b. And this implies that here we have a third log 3 to base 2. And since a third is common here, we can express x as a third into the parentheses. This is the same thing as 10 plus log 3 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now the next step from here is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we have that 8 to the power of x minus 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Substituting the value of x here, then we have 8 to the power of 1 over 3 into the parentheses. This is 10 plus this is log 3 to base 2, close the parentheses, subtract 2. This should give us a value of 48. The next step is that we can express 8 basically as 2 to the power of 3. Substituting this, then this implies that we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplying by 1 over 3. Into the parentheses, we have 10 plus log 3 to base 2. Close the parentheses, then minus 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now, we can simplify here. 3 and 3 here simplifies, so that here we have 2 to the power of 10 plus here we have log 3 to base 2, then minus, now here we have 3 times 2, this is minus 6. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now we have 2 to the power of 10 minus 6, this is 4, then plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now we have that 2 to the power of 4 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Now applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. 2 to the power of 4, this is equal to 16. So we have 16 multiplying by 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Now 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2, this is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this should give us a value of b. So this means that 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2, this should give us a value of 3. And therefore, we have that 16 multiplied by 3, this should give us a value of 48. So 16 times 3, this is equal to 48, which is equal to 48. This implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x here, which is 1 over 3, into the parentheses 10 plus log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.